Today's my vlog number 27 and I'm going to show you how to make my own version of Pop Tart in a mug. This homemade Pop Tart is so much better than the store-bought kind. They're filled with strawberry jam and finished with sweet and simple vanilla icing. These things melt in your mouth. Yes, they're a bit of work just for a breakfast pastry, but totally worth it once you get to sink your teeth into one.
Okay.
Let's get started. Follow me. Add our flour. Sugar, baking powder, milk, and melted butter. Mix all ingredients until fully combined. Make a well in the batter. And spoon in the jam. Gently smooth the batter over the jam so there's none peeking out. For the topping, add icing sugar, and milk. Mix until smooth. icing. And of course, decorated with sprinkles. Let's try our finished product. Oh wow! This is so delicious! Mmm! 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 This is so amazing! Once you try this delicious homemade Pop Tarts, you will never look at the store-bought Pop Tarts the same way. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure the big thumbs up and comment down below what other things you want and we'll make it happen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you na tomorrow, but on the next day. Peace out.